All right, this is installing a brand new Toyota hybrid battery. I will take you in every single step of the way. Here we go. From the old battery, we need to use the battery junction box, the battery voltage sensor. Obviously, we have to make sure that it's in good condition. It doesn't have any corrosion here in the orange connections, okay? This couple of holders, the intake air vent, which is this one is dirty. I have to service, by the way. And finally, the battery cooling fan, which is, of course, a real mess as well. So let me just service the fan and install all the accessories. Obviously, I'm going to open it to inspect every single connection. We already marked every single one of the modules. Let me show you quickly the condition of the bus bars. Hold on, let me show you. I want you to come and see everything. Give me a second. I'm gonna open everything for you, just check it out. There won't be any mistake. Come and see for yourself. This is how you certify that your battery is brand new. All right, let's check the other side. Every single module has its own serial number. Let's see the main connection right here. Look. Totally impeccable. Now, as I said, the new batteries doesn't come with the battery junction box relay, so we're gonna have to install it right away. Yeah, look at the condition of the cooling fan. It's horrible. So we're gonna clean it in 3, 2, 1, and that should be it. Very simple, right? And you put this and ready to install. We finished the service, everything. We have all the accessories. Now it's time to assemble back. Now with all the accessories mounted, cooling fan, the computer, everything, this battery is ready to install. Here we go. Come on guys, like and subscribe. That is the only way that you can help us create way much more amazing educational videos about hybrid electric vehicles preventive maintenance. So go ahead, like and subscribe. What's up? This is going to be our first intent to start. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Let me see. Yep, it went to ready mode right away. I'm gonna hook up the scan tool, okay, with the vehicle ignition on, engine off, because we want to calibrate the current sensor and the state of charge. So now I'm gonna enter the hybrid control. I'm going to the special functions. I'm going to initialization, which is the one that calibrates the current sensor. Ignition on, engine off. Okay, to proceed. Initialization is complete. That should be it. Let me go to actuation tests. I'm gonna put it in the speed, maximum speed. There you go. Can you hear it? It's working perfectly. I can manipulate also the speed of the cooling fan with no problem. Driving the car, warm it up for a little while. There it is. Look at the energy flow of the hybrid system and the vehicle driving. Impeccable. Unfortunately, this vehicle is having a humming noise in the front wheel bearings and it's having also a little engine rattling noise. So pretty sure, I think the customer never have cleaned the injectors or the spark plugs in this vehicle. So I'm gonna have to inform the customer about this. So this is how a fully imbalanced hybrid battery is supposed to look like, with the delta state of charge in 0, with absolutely no delta voltage difference, everything charged and discharged equally. So this is the process of installing a brand new Toyota hybrid battery. So if you want to know more, stick around for our tips. I'll see you then. Bye bye.